Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my latest episode. Today I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna show you the latest tool from Makita I got. It's the DFS452Z. It's a cordless screwdriver which runs on the 80 volt battery system of Makita. Yeah, and let's just show you what it is. This is it. The package contains some booklets. Not gonna use those. And also a clip to put it on your belt, which I don't have. So this is it. It's a cordless screwdriver used primarily to attach drywall to wooden frames, like I'm doing behind here, and I'm gonna do a lot downstairs. The reason I got this tool is that I have to do a lot of drywall. I have to do my entire ceiling, all the walls. So it's gonna take a lot of time. This tool will help me do it much quicker. I also got this accessory. It's a automatic screw feeder. Just takes a lint of screws and enables me to just use one end and push all the screws in. Let me show you what's inside. So this is it, nose piece, and these longer bits to go all the way through the nose piece. So let's attach. You can take this off quite easy. This one is a bit harder. I already read some comments of people saying that it's really hard to get and you need a pipe wrench to remove it. So luckily I have one at hand. Here we go. Oh, quite tough indeed. And attach this one. Here we go. Now we can add the nose piece, and as you can see, there's a little wheel on the bottom to adjust the depth of the screws, and there's a little lock unlock button on here. I also got the batteries. Works nicely. So the reason I got this model and not the one with the batteries and the impact is that it's more expensive, and also I already got a lot of Makita tools. So I don't need the extra batteries, I don't need the M-box because I can just put this with my other screwdrivers. Another benefit of this tool is that it can run to up to 4,000 rounds a minute, so you can push the screws in really fast. It also got a push drive technology. There's a little button down here that you can press. Now if I pull the gun, nothing happens. I can lock it in place with this button, and all the time I push the screws in, it will start to rotate automatically and stop automatically, also saving me a lot of time and effort because I can just hold it like this and push it in. Turn it off for now. I also got the Makita screws. You also have some off-brand. I think they're just as good as this one. I just bought this one because they were at the same website, just convenience. Don't know that they're that expensive, so you just pull the screws through here. And pull it through here. It's a little tricky to get it in, but in the end, not that hard. So this is the tool completely assembled. Let's do some field test. Follow me. Zo. Zo, en nu is hij klaar. Nu zit hij vast. Duw hem maar. So that's it for the review of the Makita DFS452. As you could see, it's quite easy to use. Even my kids helped out a little bit, with some help of course. It's a useful tool if you do a lot of drywall. If you don't do a lot of drywall, then don't bother. I want to make sure you know that I'm not being sponsored by Makita. If they see this video and want to sponsor me, of course they are welcome. But this one was all of my own because I have a need for this tool and I wanted to show you guys how it works. I found out that the unlock key is necessary to feed in the screws. It makes it a lot easier. It's a bit of a hassle to find the correct setting and the correct depth, but when you are set up, it's really easy to use. If you're interested in this product and you want to order it as well, I added some links to Amazon. They're affiliate links, so you won't have to pay extra, but I'll earn a little bit from your purchase. Don't feel obliged, you are free to buy it wherever you want. This is it for now. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day and bye.